Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to set up your CAC reader at home in very simple and few steps. Make sure to watch this video until the end, not to miss any important details. As you can see, currently we have this CAC reader. You might have a similar one at home or maybe the exact same model. First thing you will do is look in the bottom of this. So when you grab it and you turn it around, you will see a number or a serial number that you will use to download the drive so you can set up the CAC reader. Now, once you do that, you will go to Google, type in the CAC driver, which is going to be the serial number, and then right after that, type the word driver. So you will only have this section, and then you will simply click driver and then search. And from here, you will see some versions. Now, this can be version 2, and this can be the same version 1, the opposite. And make sure to choose the specific one that is the same one as your device. You might have the first version, you might have the second version. Once you do that, click on this one. And after that, you will show you all the page and setup and all the drivers. And you will click the specific driver that you might want. Once you download that, you can simply extract it all from the web browser, from your seminar. And from here, you can just install this application and that will install all the drivers necessary for your CAC reader, which you will be able to use. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.